What up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today, we have yet another Armitron. This one was on clearance for $12, I want to say. And I said, yeah. No, 16. It was $16. And I said, absolutely. So, here we are. This one actually was on clearance on Amazon, not on Walmart. So, hopefully, by the time you see this video, it's still on clearance. Either way, yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. I've been buying a lot of Armitrons lately because, you know, Armitrons are an affordable brand. It's an American brand. Started in 1975 by John Armitron. Actually, I don't know the guy's name. It's not John Armitron. I'm just making that up. But 1975. So it's 50 years old now. So let me get the zip tie off. That one is on there tight. There we go. Yeah, they really had that one zipped down. So, all right. Curious to see how this compares to Timex and Casio. It's a nice looking watch. It's available in several colors, and I do see Velcro, so that's cool. So I think I could just Velcro it. Is that the right phrase when you want to undo Velcro? Who knows? Is that that might be the reference number. So there you go. Instruction manual. I don't know if you'd ever need that. Maybe it's at the time. Who knows? Just get that off, and then let me cut this off. Cool. Peel that off. Let's have a look at the watch. Yeah, pretty nice. Very nice digital watch. I actually like the way the numerals look. Looks like it tells you the day and what day it is. So that's pretty cool. We've got water resistance up to 330 feet. EL, electroluminescence. Which, once again, Armitron's EL is not that great, it seems. So let me turn off the light box again. And it's a horrible glow in real life. The camera, once again, is overcompensating. It is definitely not that bright in real life. It's barely bright at all. I guess if you're in pitch black, you can see it pretty well, I will say. But man, that is a horrible, horrible EL. So, it is what it is, though. I can't really complain. I paid $16. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and we will set the watch. So it's got 2 times, so you can track a second time zone somewhere. So I'm going to do Japan like usual. But first I need to set the default time. So that's not a button. I thought this was a button up here, but it's not. So I'm going to press and hold. Okay, that's the wrong thing to hit. So press and hold. Yes, okay. And then I'm going to change the time of the hour. I think it's still 1. Yeah, it's 1:50. 1:50. I probably could have just left it at 1:51. That's okay though. Okay. 2026, that's correct. And it is, I think it's 1:25. Yeah, it is. Wow, so the date was just right. That's funny. Okay. So my regular time is set. So now let's go into second time zone, press and hold. Or I guess just press. Yeah. And what time is it in Tokyo?
It's 4:51 p.m. in Tokyo, Japan.
Okay. So change this. $4:51. we go. Just like that. Very simple, very easy. All right. Obviously, alarm option. We've got a stopwatch. And again, the second time. So there you go. In case you didn't see it the first time, there you go. And back home to the default time zone, or default time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put it on. See how it feels. That is a comfortable band. Look at that. So not bad. Not bad. I don't know how long this band will last, but if I get a year out of it, if I get 2 years out of it, even better. But and available in several colors. This is the black and blue color, so it was the only one that was on clearance. The rest of them are not. So once again, the OG band that came on this Armitron sucked. It just left too much flap, and that flap kept catching onto my hoodie and my steering wheel and everything else when I was trying to drive. So again, turned to walkie once again. $6, 20mm band. I just went with black this time. No problems. Great looking watch. Good, functional, simple watch. I'll link the band below in addition to the watch. Thank you all so much for watching. I say watch a lot. But I will link it below in case you are interested. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great weekend. Assuming you're watching this on the weekend. If not, I hope you have a great day at least. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.